Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can freeze a row on Google Sheets or a column. So you're just going to select the row you want to freeze. So it's going to be the first one. You're then going to go to View, Freeze, and then select one row. And if you scroll down, this is still going to be the top one. Another easy way to do it, you can also select this line and just drag it down, and it's going to freeze that row as well as the column here too. So it's still going to be there whether you scroll to the right or left or scroll up and down. And that is how you can freeze rows or columns on Google Sheets. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.